Okay, hello everyone. In the previous video, I have shared this topic with you all, that the value of acceleration due to gravity decreases as we move the object from the surface of the earth to certain height. Now we get this formula, that is g at this height will be equivalent to the gravity at the point P, that is the surface of the earth, into this factor. Now in this case, in the special case, we will be considering what will happen or what will be the value of acceleration due to gravity if the value of this h, that is the height from the surface of the earth, is not very high as compared to the radius of the earth, right? So in this special case, that is when the radius is far greater than the height of the object. Now in that case, what we will do is we will simply write gq is equivalent to gp. Now we will take out this r square common. Now what will be left? It will be 1 upon, this will be 1 plus h by r if we take r square from the denominator as well. Now this will be square, right? Now these r squares will cancel out. We will be left with gp. Now if I take the reciprocal of this, the power will become negative. Now this will be 1 plus h upon r and minus 2. Now you will be left with what? It is gravity at point Q will be equivalent to gravity at point P, that is surface of the earth, and since we know h is very less than as compared to radius of the earth, we will simply say the ratio of h by r is very less than 1. Now in that particular case, we can consider binomial expansion, which says 1 plus x whole to the power n is simply equivalent to 1 plus nx if x is very less than 1. So this is just similar to this case. So we will use binomial expansion in this formula to get the required result. Now this comes out to be 1 minus 2h by r. So what we have done is we have used this binomial expansion in the above formula to get the result. Now as you can easily see, now the gravity at point Q, that is at certain height, is equivalent to gp into 1 minus something. That means the gravity will decrease as you go at certain altitude, at certain height from the surface of the earth, and the value of gravity, acceleration due to gravity, will be maximum at its surface. Now in order to find out the fractional change in the value, what we will do is we will rearrange this given formula, and it would be gq is equal to gp. Now I am expanding the bracket. It is minus 2h upon r into gp. Now shifting or rearranging the terms, like gp minus gq is equivalent to 2h by r times gp. Now what is the value of fractional change in gravity? So fractional change what does it mean? It is the change in the value of gravity upon the original value. The original value means at the surface of the earth, and what is the fractional change or what is the change in its value? It is gp minus gq. So you will write it as gp minus gq upon gp is simply equivalent to 2h gp by r upon gp. Now this gp will cancel out. That means the fractional change in the value of gravity comes out to be 2h by r. Now percentage change or percentage change in the value of acceleration gravity means it is change upon original into 100. So this will be 2h by r percent, or into 100 you can say. Thank you.